is February 15th, 2021. This one here I got a call from a guy. He's got a problem with his sink. A couple of sink drains, and I guess he's got a hot tub he wants me to replace the valves on, or they've been removed or something. I don't know. This is that cat that was standing up in the attic on the insulation. He didn't fall through pulling a Chevy Chase. Same guy. So just make sure he doesn't go up in the attic and stand on the insulation again. Craziest thing I've ever seen. Told the guy to go up there so I could show him where to change the filters, and he's standing up on it. He comes up there and he's walking on the insulation. I said, you gotta step on a joist. It's gonna fall right through the ceiling. Yeah, this is the same guy, so try to get you some shots. Looks like there's quarters down in there. Yeah. Looks like 4 quarters. Got a hose on this thing. I wonder why. What's the matter with it? How come this thing keeps popping off?
No, they took away. They want to give a shower to the small baby. So it has been like that for years. I never bothered to keep it back because it was good for me also.
Yeah, I don't know why. I mean, there's a set screw on this. You're supposed to have this thing. We could try putting this back on and see if it leaks. They put that on there for a baby, you said?
I assume that they put for the give a bath. It was easy for the baby.
I don't know. I've never seen nothing.
It does crack now.
It's cracked, yeah.
Yes,
So we'll try putting this spout back on, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
All right. Let me get my tools. Let's see what I can do with that.
I put this from yesterday.
Crazy.
It started leaking.
Crazy.
So I put this towel.
He says this thing's cracked. No work?
No work today. President Day.
Oh, today's a holiday, yeah.
Yeah.
I think today's a holiday. Joe Biden Day.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Well, I think George Washington Day. But whatever day.
Oh, okay, maybe.
Whatever day. It doesn't matter. If I give it off, if I get a day off, I'm happy. If not, I'll work. It doesn't matter for me.
I don't know why they took this off. Said it was for a baby?
Yeah, for bath purpose. Bathe the baby here. We did the same.
You did the same?
Yeah, when the kids were small, I had to give a bathe here. It was easy with those holes.
Oh, what about the handle here? The handle don't work so well. Same thing with that. It's got a thing on it. She's loose as a goose.
What's that?
She's loose as a goose, the handle.
Yeah.
This one. That one's loose. They're both loose, huh?
Yeah, they're loose.
They're both loose. You're gonna just leave that off? So this thing was leaking on the floor?
Yeah.
Crazy. Oh, she's still leaking. Maybe it's a bad O-ring in there or something. Not good. Let's see if we could change the O-ring in there, maybe.
Okay.
Maybe we could fix it. I mean, they had the in there, I think. Maybe that's why they took it off, because it was leaking. You think so?
I don't know, they didn't tell me, but it worked well. It never leaked for me with that, this one.
Well, you had that hose clamp on there, so I don't know. Let's see what we could do here.
Yeah, so it worked well for me, for my kid, so I let it go.
We'd have to try to put another O-ring on there, maybe. Seems to be leaking now. Not really on there all that great, is it?
What's that?
It's on there, but it's kind of weird. It's on there, but it seems a little. It's not leaking. Well, that's good. These coins out of here or something.
Water, I think, what do you want me to put something? It's very slow down. Maybe
It's slow.
Yeah, it's not raining well.
Well, that's another issue.
Right?
Yeah. Let me get my plunger. Maybe we could hit it with a plunger. It might have a bunch of hair in there.
Who knows, right?
Probably a bunch of hair. That's one of them push things. Yeah, let me get my plunger. We'll try that. Yeah, it's just all full of hair. It's all full of hair. One of them push ones. Draining now. I can get in there. Maybe get down in there. Don't look like it. A couple of them. Looks like a couple of them fell down in there. Maybe get this thing back together. A couple of the coins fell down in there.
Did it?
Yeah. Yeah, maybe we could hook that linkage back up and have some kind of, you know, looks like the thing just fell off. What else you got going on?
For this one?
What else did you need done?
Basically these two things.
These two things?
Yeah.
That ain't so bad. Could be worse.
That was I worried yesterday because the water started dripping down. So the reason I called you yesterday evening was
water leaking
Yeah,
in the
so-
ceiling.
yeah. So I thought the water broke or something. The pipe broke. That was my fear. I mean, this would I wouldn't worry. Like I would just call you and entertain you whenever you could come and everything. I would call today. I called yesterday. I said, hey, see. Then after I called you, the water stopped. So I was convinced that.
Alright. So I turned that around and I lowered it because it was hitting up top there and popping off. Should be good now. Could probably take that apart and get them nuts out of there. Quarters.
Oh.
You had six coins in there. Well, don't.
Oh, sorry.
I got the drain apart still. Hang on a minute. Don't rush to judgment there, guy. Alright, let's see if it leaks. So panning for gold here. That's good. I spin it around, it was hitting and popping off the top there, so I lowered it. Lowered it a notch. No leaks. Yeah, good. Plunge this one too.